Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Um, now that I've got things a little more organized and I'm feeling a little better, I thought I'd go live and show you our own personal addition to our Scentsy Buddy collection that we have. We don't get all the Scentsy Buddy. We'd love to, but right now it's not budget conscious for us to do that. But there are some that we get simply because we either love them or really want them. And one that I really wanted was one of the Disney Scentsy Buddies when it came out this season, the Goofy Scentsy Buddy. This is the box, has the Scentsy logo on it, shows Goofy and everything like that. Box even had, I never can get it to come out right, but its own carrying handle for the box. I'm going to open Goofy up here, take him out, and there he is. Now, Goofy comes with a scent. You can get a scent pack. The Disney scent the Disney Buddies come with a certain scent pack. This one comes with Mickey Mouse and Friends. I like the scent. It's a little strong. But once you put it in the buddy, that kind of keeps it from being as strong to you and everything. But it's just in the little back pouch right here. It's where the scent pack goes. You put it down in there. And if I can find the zipper pull that has taken itself and gone way down into the costume. There we go. Got that out. Pull him up, zip him up. Then his vest covers the zippered up part. That's what Goofy looks like. Like I said, the scent that it comes with Mickey Mouse and Friends. The Mickey Mouse and Friends scent is labeled as Georgia peach accented by pops of orange peel and vanilla. You can find Goofy on my website under collections, under the Disney collection. So if you're a Goofy fan, kind of like I am, go grab yours today on our website. Thank you for joining me, and y'all have a great day.